Carlo has a day off today. We have made a vow that when he has his 2 days off a week, we are gonna do more than just sit on the sofa and watch Netflix. So today it's not raining, it's really warm outside. We are gonna get in the car and we're gonna head down the coast to Cetara and Vietri. And our Christmas cards have arrived. So it's the 8th of January. Thank you, Positano, for delivering our Christmas cards. Shall I keep them for next year? We have stopped in the little village of Erchie, which is part of Mare. So it's a tiny little village, just a little hamlet by the sea. We're going to have a little wander around. Obviously we are very near Vietri, which is the home of the ceramics. So I think from here onwards we're going to see a lot of nice ceramic work. I've just noticed up on this cliff it's absolutely full of ceramic sailing boats. Look at these. Must be totally different in the summer here. Are you having fun with your little friend? This is the village of Cetara. We're going to stop here for lunch because we've seen a few places open. If there's one thing I miss in Positano in winter, it's seeing the boats. Here they all are. Food-wise, there's not a whole lot of options in the winter, but we found this little restaurant behind us here, which is open. I've just popped outside. We've just had a free starter, which was amazing, and they do all the local specialities. It is called Cetara Punto Pasta. It's absolutely tiny. There's literally 4 tables inside and 2 outside. Here's the menu. So the prices are very reasonable. So what's this? Ravioli with alici and ricotta inside with yellow tomato outside. Homemade sciagliatelli with fennel, almonds and Carlo chatting in the restaurant, and I've just come out to explore. Oh, what's down here? Oh look! Hey little kitties! What is this place? I think it's just houses. Lunch?
Yeah. Nice.
Questo è più espressivo.
Sì, era buono, vero? Vedi il palo, c'è il palo, va.
We are now in Vietri. Vietri is the home of ceramics, and you can definitely tell because even the benches have got beautiful ceramic paintings on them. Each one is different. The kids' play park has this beautiful rainbow ceramic border around it. Now, I don't know if this is a speciality of the Amalfi Coast or if it's something that all Italians do, but they do these, well, they're actually nativity scenes, and then in winter they dress them all up. Little model villages. Aren't they sweet? So detailed. Yes, so here's the manger with the baby Jesus in it. He's a very large baby. Vietri has got a really big beach. All the dogs today. All the dogs. This house is amazing. But
so they call you on Monday morning. You've been working 2 jobs, still bills just stacking up in this pile on the coffee table. Nothing's ever enough. Money isn't worth all the life that you're paying. Wonder when it all stops, when nobody want more, when we're done taking off.
this is the Solimeme Ceramics Factory. This is the Solimeme Ceramics Factory, where all the famous Vietri pottery is from.
For something more, you try to remember all the good things that your mama told you. It turns around, you see, it takes time, but you just can't believe that. Believe that, no, you just can't.
Huge, it's literally caves and caves full of ceramics everywhere.
Like the world is against you somehow, and your wheels just keep on spinning. Think you promised yourself once that it'd all be.
Just below the ceramics factory there's a beautiful little park with lovely ceramic walls, that's the word I'm looking for, lovely ceramic walls. Worth going in for a couple of photos maybe.
On the coffee table, nothing's ever enough. Money isn't worth all the life that you're paying.
Love these walls, and I've just peeked over the edge and they've even got their own little theatre with seats and productions in the summer. All the seats are ceramic. Just realised that when you go back up again, you see all these beautiful coloured tiles on the steps that you don't see when you're going down. It's magically up here.